how to download Minecraft on your iPhone. If you want to download the Minecraft, then it is a very easy job. The first thing you need to do is go to the App Store and make sure that you are signed into your App Store. Once you are signed into your App Store, then go to the search icon that is on the bottom right corner of your screen, then search Minecraft. Then open the whichever play game you want to download. For now, I'm choosing this one. Then simply click on the get to get the app. Thank you for watching this video. If you like this video, then please do not forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you for watching.